A wise old man once said, "Fail to prepare and prepare to fail." And that goes well said for your home buying process. The more time that you allow to prepare for your home purchase, the more time that you create for a slam dunk transaction. Hi, this is Joselin Chiu with Highlands Residential Mortgage, bringing you another episode of Home Fit. Today, I want to talk about when is the right time for you to apply for your mortgage as a first-time home buyer. I get asked this question so often, and there may not be the perfect answer, but I have a pretty good idea of what's the sweet spot as a first-time home buyer for you to meet with your mortgage loan advisor, like myself, and start to prepare your journey into purchasing your first home. So, I would advise that you sit with your mortgage advisor, start your pre-approval application 6 months before you expect to move into the home. To some, that might sound like a lot of time. 6 months allows for you and your mortgage loan advisor to review your income, your assets, and your credit thoroughly to prepare it for a perfect loan application. The key is that we are able to have ample time to review what's going on with your credit, where are all your funds for the transaction, and is all of our income supporting your pre-approval status. Remember, your mortgage loan advisor is structuring a loan application that once you are under contract goes to an underwriter for approval. And my job as your mortgage loan advisor is to prepare as perfectly as possible loan application to get us through underwriting seamlessly and easily. That is a slam dunk transaction to me. So what do I want to do in these 6 months? The first thing you're going to do is apply for your pre-approval loan application. Your pre-approval loan application is done on my website. You can complete it in 5 minutes. I review the application, request the supporting documentation I may need, like last 2 months of bank statements, last 2 years of tax returns, and your last 2 pay stubs. In some cases, we may need to gather our funds from separate accounts into one account. That's a good example of having a time cushion to prepare a perfect loan application. Another example is maybe working with your mortgage loan advisor like myself to compare different options with your current credit stance. In some scenarios, people may have certain liabilities where their balances are exceeding what could improve their credit scores. 6 months allows us ample time to bring up your credit scores, if possible, to a better scenario for your loan application. Our goal is to create a loan application that goes smoothly into underwriting and that we can commit to close in less than 3 weeks. That is a slam dunk transaction in my books. Another great opportunity of having 6 months of cushion time is that you are able to shop around different mortgage loan products. In some cases, you may have 2 or 3 different loan products that you can qualify for. This allows you time to sit with your mortgage loan advisor and compare your benefits, not just right now at the time of the purchase, but over the life of the loan. And that is the goal that I have with each of my families, is to be able to sit down with you, go over each of your loan options, and let you decide which route is going to best suit the goals that you have in mind for your family and your investments. In some cases, your realtor may be recommending to you their preferred lender. Some of those options may be an online lender, just to give you an example. This is a great opportunity for you to shop around different lenders so that you can compare what each lender is offering you. So wait, does everybody need 6 months to prepare for their home purchase? No, you do not need 6 months. I recommend 6 months if you have the flexibility to do so. But we have been able to work with buyers who have had to depart their current residence in the next 45 days. As long as you are on board, working collaboratively with your mortgage loan advisor, then there is no reason why your lender should not be able to close you in under 30 business days. In the present moment, my team at Highlands Residential Mortgage is averaging a 22 business day closing. So if you are under tight times, do not hesitate to start your mortgage loan approval today.